Hey guys, today we've got our brand new Can-Am Maverick R in the shop. We're getting it ready for a ride, just going through everything. Now, we obviously don't need to replace our air filter, but we're gonna show you this process anyway while we're in here. So with these, it's the same maintenance intervals as your oil change, but if you're group riding or in really dusty conditions, you might want to inspect this as often as every ride. Now, it's gonna be the same process for the 2 and the 4-seaters. Let's get into it. For parts, if you need a new air filter, we've got those available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We're also going to be using some Tusk cleaner to help clean up the air box. The air filter is located at the left rear wheel well. Just in front of the shock, we have the cover. We're going to pop the 4 tabs and remove it. Then we're going to pull the air filter out. Now, one of the first things we want to check is to make sure we didn't suck any dirt past the air filter on that clean intake side. So if you see any dirt down in there, you want to inspect your air filter for any damage and find out why dirt is getting past this. Next, you want to clean out the air box. If it's really dirty, you can use a shop vac to suck some of the dirt out. We're just going to use a rag, and we've got this plastic and lens cleaner and polish. And it's really important to make sure that you don't have any dirt around this opening that could get knocked in. We're also going to inspect this seal, make sure that's in place and in good condition, and we're going to wipe out our cover. Now, over at the bench, if you want to reuse your air filter, you want to inspect the paper element for any tears or damage. Same thing with the sealing surface, make sure that's in good condition. If those are looking okay, you can clean this out, but just keep in mind, you don't want to use compressed air because that could damage the paper element. All you want to do is drop this down and let the dirt work out of the pleats. Now, once you've cleaned the air filter out, you want to hold it up to the light, look inside the air filter, and the more light you see coming through the pleats, the better. If it's looking real dark in there, then it's probably time to get this thing replaced. Now, obviously this is a brand new air filter, so this is the best case scenario and what it should be looking like. At this point, we're ready to go back together, so we can reinstall the air filter back onto that flange. Make sure it's fully seated. And we'll set the cover in place. You want to make sure that these raised sections are lined up with the air box. And then install the 4 latches. That's it for air filter maintenance on your Can-Am Maverick R. If you need an air filter or any maintenance items for your machine, you can find that stuff on our website by clicking the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free, and if you want to see more helpful content, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.